So let's talk personal brand. I decided that in 2024, I want to increase my personal brand, but I know I couldn't do that by spreading myself too thin by being on all the channels all at once, even if I copy content from one to the other. So I decided that I wanted to be able to use X, which is formerly Twitter, to be able to get that reach and start building my tribe. Twitter or X has become one of those platforms where it's really easy to get started. You start typing. If you're an introvert, you don't have to worry about being on camera, having to share different pictures, doing different dances or whatever. You're able to allow your words to connect with people. You're able to showcase your knowledge, your expertise by using words. So if you want to venture into video, you can. But for the most part, it allows you to be who you are, but using words to be able to express yourself, to be able to get that reach until this time to actually expand onto a new platform. So my plan was use X to be able to show my expertise, start gaining more following, and use YouTube to do other videos to continue that following as well. But most of my connection will be on X. And I would say it's been a few years since I actually was on X or Twitter at the time where I felt like it was going somewhere. But since being back, I went ahead and got the blue check mark, and I'm getting a lot of reach, I'm getting a lot of engagement, and I'm growing my following. I'm over 800 now. I forgot where I was starting from, but that didn't quite start at zero, so don't think I started at zero and then pretty much overnight have gotten it to 800. But it has allowed me to engage in conversation with people that I probably wouldn't have before without having to try to figure out, okay, what's this video going to be about? Or what is this picture going to be about? What do I need to do a selfie, or do I need to do something else to be able to get people to engage with me? So a lot of the topics that I do talk about is definitely tech, definitely AI. Haven't gotten into the personal finance part yet, but I definitely will be talking about personal finance and entrepreneurship. So those are things that are important to me. So just trying to find topics and things to engage with others that may be like-minded, to also continue to learn. I like to learn. It's one of those things where being able to connect with people that may be a little bit more experienced will definitely help with that learning process. But my main focus is just to be able to leverage the platform to be able to connect with more people so that I can be able to showcase my expertise. And X is a wonderful place to be able to do that I've seen recently in the last couple months. And it's just growing. I'm venturing out to actually start using the X Spaces to be able to do the audio rooms, to be able to bring some other people in to have some discussions, and that should help out a lot. And also they have this new feature, which is articles, where you can actually write articles somewhat like, I guess, like Medium or whatever, to be able to post, and hopefully that will actually aid in the reach and also engagement. I've only done one article so far. Most of the stuff has been tweets or messages or whatever you call it for X. So I'm looking to expand a lot more of that. And also I did do one live, but it didn't really quite record like I wanted to. So the power of social media, the power of digital, you can erase it. So if you don't feel that it actually showcases you in the right light, you can always get rid of it. So don't worry about being embarrassed or anything like that. But I feel that, being able to leverage X has helped me to be able to come out of my shell, so to speak, to be able to connect with other people that I probably wouldn't have connected with before, and to still showcase my expertise and to have some provoking conversations. And also with platforms like X, you definitely want to be able to go and explore other conversations happening, engage with those in those conversations, so that those people can go back to your page, see what you've been discussing, and to hopefully become a follower, hopefully to be able to engage with more of your content. So that's where I'm seeing a lot more with this platform as opposed to other ones. Sure, the video is great, but everyone doesn't feel like they want to either dress up or get to a point where they're feeling most comfortable on video. At least if I need to, I can just lay back on the couch, pull out the phone, message something, or if I'm actually trying to find a topic to talk about, research something, use ChatGPT, just anything, but I'm not having to worry about what am I looking like? Am I presentable? Do I have anything on my mouth or in my nose or anything like that? I don't have to worry about any of those things. All I have to do is relay the information, and hopefully it's information that you can actually use, and it will make you want to engage with me and have a discussion. But if you're one of those people out there looking to grow your personal brand, I will say that X is a great platform to be able to do that. Make your words connect with other people and build that following. I know it's a lot of people that have said that, well, X or Twitter is dead. Is really the furthest from it. People still use it. I know there was a lot of people that were saying that they were going to leave the platform. They're not leaving the platform. There have been some to leave, but there's still a lot of conversations going on, a lot of engagement, and they're doing more to expand the platform, which is articles. Articles is new. I think that came out earlier this month. So I foresee them actually doing more. I know that the CEO is talking about making X more of a video platform. So I want to make use of using the platform to do video. So I probably will post this on YouTube and post this on X as well. So if you're around, make sure you follow me. I actually changed my handle on X. Now it is ChristopherWalker. That is Christopher Walker without any vowels. I know it's kind of weird, but I can't get my handle because there's a character limit, and also I wanted something that would stand out, still using my name, and that's where it is. So if you're there, follow me on there. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I plan on putting out more content on helping you to upgrade yourself, whether that with AI, personal finance, tech, or entrepreneurship. And I look forward to seeing you next time.